Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes. And my peeps, this time it's a new recipe or a new juice recipe. I'm gonna make some beetroot cranberry juice, natural juice. Gonna clean and build your immune system. Alright, gonna boost your metabolism, good immunity support here, and I'm gonna add some ginger and lemon and a little bit of honey for taste. Alright my peeps, let's get into this video. Over here I have 2 medium-sized beet and a little bit more than a cup, maybe cup and a little bit of cranberries. All right, we're gonna put everything here. Ooh. Oh dear, don't fall over. So the cranberries there. I'm gonna put the beets. I want to squeeze my half of lemon. Some ginger. Don't hide over there. Okay. And some water. And that's it. Let's blend away. Gonna blend by pushing down on it. And that's it. We're gonna strain up this bad boy. All right my peeps, you see how strong it is? I just put the cover, empty out the cover in it. We're gonna strain this. Oh mama mia, you see how ready it be? Now I'm gonna add about another 2 cups of water. And then you want to get a spoon and you want to mix. All right, and you're gonna come up with something like that. My honey is almost done, but I'm gonna use whatever I have. I gotta put about I want to put 2 tablespoons, guys, but I don't know how much I can get from it. Look there, it's done. Anyhow, finish. It's gonna boost your immune system, guys. I know cranberry good for bladder infection, all of them things there. Yeah. Gonna clean and build your body. Good body repair right here. Boost your metabolism. All right my peeps, we're gonna serve up a little bit of this bad boy. Oops, wait guys, wait. Put some ice. I'll put some ice first. Yeah, that's better. And then we're gonna pour some in this one. Yay! I think that's just right. And this is the goodness my peeps, my beetroot cranberry juice. Yeah, original recipe. It's gonna clean and build your immune system. All right guys, drink this every day for body repair. It's good for your blood, good for your iron, good to lower blood pressure. Yeah, this is really good. All right my peeps, love upon me and love upon you. And if you're anemic, this is good as well. You have a good day. Bye guys.